boys and girls. Today you are going to be a part of the lesson for static addition with golden beads. So when you begin this work, make sure in your journal that you title it Static Addition with Golden Beads, and you also write out the date. September 18th, 2020 is the date that I am doing this lesson on. So first you're going to write down your add-ins, okay? Add-ins are what you have when you are adding numbers together or quantities to find a sum. So here I have 1,713. My ones look kind of interesting because I realized I only had 2,000s with me from school, so I had to change those numbers. So 1,713 is my first addend, so I'm going to write addend. I'm going to label my parts. And you will do the same. My next addend is 1,143. So I'm going to write addend. When I add my addends together, I will find my sum, S-U-M. That's what we call the answer in an addition problem, okay? So I'm going to move my journal over, and we are going to begin building our quantities with golden beads. So this is where you use the golden beads that you created in the lesson before this. And to me, this is just the funnest part. So I'm going to begin with 1,000. Let's make sure that you can see. 700s. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So far I have 1,700, and then I'm going to build 13. So that means I need 110, and I need 3 units. 1, 2, 3. I'm using popcorn kernels as my units because I didn't want to bring a lot of units from the classroom because I was afraid I was going to lose them. And they're very valuable materials. So I have my first addend built, which is 1,713. Now I'm going to build my second addend. I'm going to kind of have an imaginary line. And I'm going to build it right underneath, making sure to match up my place value. You'll see what I mean when I do it. So here's another 1,000. It's a different kind of 1,000. It's the one with the actual beads. You can see that 1,000 is 1,000 squares put together. And put it down like that. This one's a little bit more abstract, meaning you can imagine what it's like. This is the actual 1,000. It's quite heavy. So 1,100. So I only need one 100 square. $43. So how many 10s do I need to build 43? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. I like to use all the same type. Put that back. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So I needed 4 10s to make 40. And then how many units do I need? That's right. I need 3. 1, 2, 3. So now that I've built my 2 addends, notice that my place values are lined up. I have my units lined up. I have my 10s lined up. I have my 100s lined up. And I have my 1,000s lined up. So now when I go to add them, I can just move them up. So 3 plus 3 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to record that. I have 6 units. Make sure you're recording as you move along each step. Now I'm going to add my 10s together. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does anybody know the value of 5 tens? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The value of 5 tens is 50. So let's see what we have so far. I just recorded my tens. 1 plus 4 was 5. Now we're going to add our 100s together. We have 7 plus 1 is 8. I'm going to make sure and record that. And now I add my thousands together. And I have 2 thousands. So I'm going to record that. $2,856. 2,856. And that's it. Thanks, guys.